If you are a young person who is having a hard time finding a job, or you are an older millennial or Gen Xer who has lost their job. You were a middle manager, you were a customer support rep, you were an SDR, sales development rep, and you've lost your job. You will have a new job within 30 days if you spend the next 10 days obsessing over OpenClaw and setting up an instance. Go back to whoever laid you off and say, I know you laid me off. Here's OpenClaw. Here's my old job. Here's how I've automated it. Let me take you through it step by step. I want to come back and I would like a 20% raise. I was making 150 working at Amazon. I now would like to make $180,000. And if you hire me back, I can do more automations just like this one. And if you don't, that's fine. I've got 4 other job offers. And if you're coming out of school and you can't find a job, and it doesn't matter what degree you have, if you dropped out of school, just set up OpenClaw, authenticate it with a bunch of bogus accounts, and then look at any other business you can think of where you've been exposed to and make new products and services. And then just email the CEO and say, I do OpenClaw. Here's what I've built. I think I could make everybody in your organization 10% more effective every month. If that person emailed me right now, I would hire them on the spot. Instead, I've got 3 people in the organization out of 20, maybe 4, who have embraced this and know how to use it. They are in week 2, Alex Finn. Those people are now 7 times, 10 times more valuable to me. 7 to 10 times more valuable in week 2.
For startups, every single hire matters, but posting an ad and sorting through all the applications, oi, it can be a huge drain on your time and resources, don't I know it? But thankfully, there's LinkedIn Hiring Pro. That's right, our friends at LinkedIn are going to help you hire with confidence faster than ever before. For example, we're hiring new editors here for the pod and reviewing all these reels and applications. This can get overwhelming very quickly. We know what we're looking for, it's just a matter of tracking them down. Hiring Pro streamlines the entire process, helping us quickly draft a perfect job post, then using AI to shortlist candidates and even conduct initial interviews so we can zero in on the best overall applications right away. Nearly 60% of companies find a quality candidate within their first week. So, hire right the first time and get $100 off your first job posting by going to linkedin.com/twist. Terms and conditions apply.